Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you update your iOS 18 beta to normal iOS 18 version. So simply guys, if you have developer beta or public beta of iOS 18 and you want to get normal iOS 18, so how can you do it? So we can do it very easily. So first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may scroll it down and you may click here on general, and you may click here on VPN and device management, and you may, if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on transfer and reset iPhone, click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. After this you may go back guys, and you may click here on software update. So click here, and guys, here is the option of beta updates. So you may click here and you may turn off beta updates. Then guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device, and after this you may check is iOS 18 latest version will be shown here. So you may download latest version, and then guys, your beta update will be removed and you can enjoy officially iOS 18 from here easily. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.